For the demonstration purpose, let me use this particular 3D model. It is around some 325 metric tons. Yeah, okay. Say for example, if I want to take the complete weight of this building, all I have to do is select the entire building, open MTO generator, just press extract, and that's it. It hardly took 2 seconds. That's all. You will get the entire summary list of the building in your hand within 2 seconds. So this is plate section, which is 6 mm thick, and it is around 98 metric ton. 8 mm thick, 12 mm thick, 16. And apart from the plate sections, I have used CHS sections for bracings and structures in this building. So it is 139, 165, 114. So these are the different sections I have used. See, it is very simple. So you have got these informations over here. What if you want to share this to your client or your fellow teammates? All you have to do is go to file, and first of all, this is summary table and this is detailed material takeoff table. This summary table will have the plate section wise classification. In the detail table, it will have all the member details. Say for example, starting from member 1 till member 6506. So it has the information of each and every member, its length, width, thickness, or a plate section, or the member section which we are using, its quantity, its unit weight, and the total weight in kgs. So this is a detailed table. If you want to record these detailed table for some reason, you can do it. You can save the file, save the detailed table, or otherwise for the summary, all you have to do is go to file, save summary table, for which here I will save it in the desktop. Save summary. Yeah, it has been saved. Next, if you want to save the detailed table, save detailed table. Detailed. That's all. All you have to do is go to desktop, open the summary. We have got our plate summary over here. Simple, right? So this is for the entire structure. Say for example, you just want to take only the mezzanine beams and joist weight. So simple. All you have to do is you have to select those members. That's all. So I'm selecting the mezzanine portions alone, leaving the wind column and portal bracing members. Yeah, that's it. Going to MTO generator, I will clear this table. You don't have to, it is not mandatory to clear the table. If you are clearing, it is fine. Just extract. The mezzanine weight alone is 138 metric ton. Yeah, it is pretty fast. So if you are doing some if you want to take the weight of bracings alone, how we can take, we can go here, check the tension only members. So I have chosen all the bracing members. All I have to do is open MTO generator, then extract it. Yeah, that's it. I just used one particular section for bracing. It is 15.82 metric tons in weight. See, it is simple. And the best case is it will support the program supports all the sections from starting from American, Brazilian, British, European, Indian, Jindal, Tata Structura, everything, excluding the solid rounds. It will not take weight of this solid rounds, and it will not take the weight of any cold form sections. Other than that, the MTO generator will support all the sections. Earlier, I was talking about beam with top and bottom cover plates, right? Say for example, if you are choosing a beam like this, UB914, top cover plate, bottom cover plate, top and bottom cover plate. Cover plate width I am providing as 300, cover plate thickness 20, bottom cover plate 0.4, say 0.3, 30 mm, like that. I'm just adding this section. Let me add it to some members in this region, assigned to selected members. That's all I have to do is like I'm just randomly selecting a piece of members, going to MTO generator, just pressing extract. You could see the UB914 section over here and its plate weights PL30, PL25. If you want to specifically see these values alone, let me choose that particular property. Those things would be selected. From there, let me clear the table, extract it. Simple, right? You get all these weights in just a single click.